Hi everyone, I'm Lena. Let's unpack June 2026, and this is going to be my first IPSY. I never subscribed for any cosmetics before because I'm from Russia and I never seen any ads like this, but a month ago I saw IPSY ad on Instagram and here we go. I just got it. Let's open it together. So this purple bag is IPSY Extra, more expensive in luxury products, and the pink one is original. 32 for extra and 15 for original. I think it's a bag. I shaked it and I figured that out. I'm very excited to open it. I think there will be skincare. I do hope so because I have some acne, whatever. But I know there will be something for makeup too, and I cannot do makeup. Unfortunately, I just can't. But I know there will be stuff for makeup and maybe it's a good opportunity to start doing it. Let's open and see what's inside. Maybe any of you know why some girls on TikTok unpacked boxes and I got the bags. What's the difference? Maybe those are PR boxes. Let me know in comments because I really am curious. I wish I could get a box, but I got bags instead. Box would give more like a gift vibe, so I would like a box, but whatever. I saw this bag in email. For some reason they sent me email with things that are inside. I did not look because I want it to be like a gift. I want to unpack and surprise. The first thing, vitamin C complex. I already have vitamin C, but maybe it's a better version because mine is mass market, very cheap. It smells like an orange or lemon. Next thing in here is Aura Energy Glowing Primer. I like the colors of IPSY. I do like the colors. You can see that it's my favorite color, pink and purple. Wow. What is that? Is it for body? It says under makeup. It shines really nice. I hope it doesn't stay gold. Well, it's shining. And it kind of gives you yellow tint. The next one, Barrier Boosting Sheet Mask. I do love the colors so much. It's four of them. It's really good that it's skincare. Why do they let me know what's inside? I do not want to know what's inside. Okay, let's not look. Next thing is Melting Blush, Rare Beauty, Nearly Apricot. You are rare. Something pink again. Is it always pink and purple? I mean, besides this vitamin C, everything else is pink. Is it always like this, or it's like every month a different color? I am so far away from makeup stuff, so I have no idea what this is. I need to consult with my GPT. Melting blush. Blush probably should be somewhere here. Just want to touch it badly. It looks like candy. I'm perfectionist and I'm enjoying right now. Let's open the next thing, and this is the last thing in this bag. It's mascara. I just got mascara like a few days ago. I like the package of it. It's like so fancy looking. I'm not going to apply it right now. Maybe I should. It's 5 in the morning actually. Maybe I shouldn't. Before we get to original unboxing, I want to tell you something important. I wanted to make the best video in the world and wanted to go through ingredients of each product and tell you what's actually worth buying from the June package, but I ended up making this video for 2 months. Now it's August. Maybe you can even notice I've lost a few pounds and I still have July and August unopened. It's getting ridiculous, so I decided to just post 2 videos. One is quick unboxing like this, and the second video every month is going to be a detailed review of each product for those who doesn't want to subscribe to IPSY, for example, but still wants to find great products, that will be for you. Trying something new on your skin also helps you understand it better. One of the products I already showed you in the beginning was something I liked at first, but then I really looked into it and turned out that my husband, who doesn't even use skincare, has a similar product that is more effective than this one. And the opposite way too. A few products that I didn't like and understand at first ended up being so good that I stopped using my own products and switched to these instead. If that sounds interesting, you can subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new videos. So we just went through the extra, let's see what's in the original IPSY bag. I am a fan of bags, but I think these ones are not very beautiful. Who likes them? Let me know. Toner pads. Use as a toner, serum, or intensive mask. I never tried anything like this too. This is probably, yeah, it says sneak peek. I do not want a sneak peek. Next one. Skin Health Experts Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Another one. What the hell is this? Lip and cheek stick. This color. You think it's going to fit me? I am excited to try this one for something that cleanses very little. And it's red. It's not pink or purple this time. And this is lip liner. Actually, I don't think this is my color because I like to use like cherry colors. I don't know, they kind of look good on me. I'm not sure if this is going to fit me. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thumbs up and see you in the next one.